from Fixin' It with Zoe Lynn, and I helped one of my viewers build a Goblin 250, and it was so much fun. So today, I'm going to be building my first ever race car. The Goblin is a 250 in a 250 lap race. And the only rules are that there ain't no rules. Sometimes you need a bigger camera. Headlights and the taillights as well. I took out all the trim pieces and then I removed everything out of the doors. I took out all the wiring we didn't need and only left in the parts that we did need. Sure seems like a lot of parts we didn't need. I took out all the Freon to save the environment. I had to chain on my bumper so when I get hit, it doesn't blow our tires. Boy, there sure was a lot of glass left that I had to vacuum. Now that the lights are out, I had my buddy Big Red put in a roll cage from the floor to the ceiling, so if the car flips over, the roof won't crush it. Now I have to weld the doors shut with this piece of metal. Now I'm going to finish welding this in place. I put safety belts on the hood, so in case the hood gets smashed, it's easier to open. And this is completely legal for racing. I'm stuffing the whole car up so I can put paint on it. Once I'm done stuffing it, I'm just going to take a little bit of glass cleaner and a towel and wipe it off. I'm only going to paint it with a roller and not bring out my paint gun because this is probably only going to be a one-time race. It's so much fun getting to paint a car with just a roller and not having to worry about what it looks like.
But I still did my best because this car is going to look awesome.
Now that we're done with the matte black, we're going to add some color. I get to paint the bumper and the wheels super cool chrome paint. I got my second coat of green on and I painted my wheels and my bumper. A little more to do and I can send it.
I never believed how good it turned out with just painting it with the roller. It looks amazing. Now I had to take a bunch of measurements for Rob at Suburban Accents so they can make all the stickers. I can't believe how these stickers complete the car and make it look like a race car. Check out these awesome stickers. Because it's a goblin, we had to decorate it for Halloween. After driving it through the parking lot, I realized that it needed tires and brakes. I also reinforced my 1-800 radiator on the trailer. By midnight, time to go home. The car I built breathed through tech inspection. We did it awesomely. Gentlemen, start your engines! We had some big crashes, so we had to repair our 1-800 radiator, but it held up great. We broke a trailing arm on the last lap of the race, but Orlando still managed to finish. Great job!
What a great day at the track. I can't believe that we finished. We finished, but we didn't win. I want to thank Orlando for driving the car here. I want to thank Mike for bringing the car here. I want to thank 1-800 Radiators for the radiator that held up even though it got smashed. I would also like to thank Suburban Accents for all the stickers.
I had so much fun. It was one of the best days of my life. And it's such an accomplishment that we could finish the whole race. You've been watching Fixing It with Zoe Lynn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye!